everyone, I'm Divya Sehgal from The Chocolate Company and you're watching Me on 11. I have been doing baking since last 4 to 5 years and I've been in it ever since. So if you're here today, I'm assuming that you're already a baker or an aspiring baker, or you're here simply for your passion. Either of the three options, I would like to congratulate you and thank you for choosing us for your journey. So today I'm going to give you a detailed description and insight into the ingredients that you need to have now that you've chosen the path to be a baker. So first things first, there are two types of products. First is dairy products and the second one is non-dairy products. Starting from dairy products, first comes butter. So for butter, I would like to recommend you to go for normal Amul salted butter or Nutrilite unsalted butter. They are easily accessible and really affordable also, and they're perfect to use. Now if you want to go for expensive butters, there are brands like Lupark and President. You can find them easily at Food Hall or Modern Bazaar, but I would honestly say that Amul and Nutrilite solve the purpose properly. Moving forward, for fresh cream as well, I would like to recommend Amul Fresh Cream. It works perfectly for all kinds of desserts. For dairy whipping cream, there is a brand called Purees. It's spelled as P-U-R-E-Z, and I would really not recommend it because it has a shelf life of about 1 to 2 days and it is only recommended for immediate use. Coming on to non-dairy products, for whipping cream non-dairy products, I would really recommend the brand Riches. It comes in huge 2 kg packing and honestly it is by far the best whipping cream that I have personally used, and I would give it a total thumbs up. It comes in huge packing, so it lasts for days, and also it is very easy to whip it. You just have to store it in the freezer, take it out, whip it and store it again. There's another brand called Tropolite. It is also a fairly decent brand, but I would personally recommend Riches brand. Moving forward to non-dairy cream cheese. So cream cheese, by far the best product that I have also used is Philadelphia. But honestly, it is really expensive. I mean, like, it is for 800 rupees for 200 grams. And it is available at Modern Bazaar and Food Hall only. So I would not recommend you to go for that in the starting stage. But also the brand that I would really recommend you to go for is Dairy Craft. It is an amazing brand and works perfectly for all kinds of ingredients. It is just for 200 rupees for 200 grams and it is super affordable and works perfectly for all types of cheesecake. For condensed milk, Nestle Milkmaid works perfectly, and I have not come across a better brand than that, so I would like you to go for the same. So coming to the most favorite ingredient that we all love is chocolate. So for chocolate, Caliboo is the most loved brand in the market right now, but it is a little expensive. It comes in huge 2.5 kg packings. So in the starting stage, I would really recommend you to go for this brand called Van Houten. It comes in semi-sweet compound and it works perfectly for my ingredients, and I personally like this brand. For cocoa powder, I would recommend you to go for Hershey's 100% cocoa unsweetened. But if you are not able to get your hands on Hershey's, you can also go for Cadbury cocoa powder. It is a great alternative for Hershey. For vanilla essence, I would really recommend the brand called Sprig that I have been using over the years now. It is a little expensive. It's around 800 for 100 ml bottle, but honestly a good vanilla essence can take your dessert to whole another level. So you should really invest in a good vanilla. Now moving forward to sugars. Honestly, people think that there is no difference. You can like use any kind of sugar, but it truly makes a difference in your dessert and your end product. So I would really recommend you to choose your sugar wisely. So there are 3 types of sugars, broadly classified as caster sugar, brown sugar and icing sugar or powdered sugar. So coming to caster sugar is a super fine sugar that incorporates into your desserts very evenly and leaves no sugar balls in your mouth. So it is really important to choose right sugar. So the brands that I trust is Trust and Dharma Pure. But honestly, there is no cost difference between the sugar brands, so you can go for any brand that is easily accessible to you, but I like to go for these brands. Same are the brands that I use for icing sugar or powdered sugar, Dharma Pure and Trust. They are the brands that I have been using from last 4 to 5 years now, and I've seen no complaint in them. Now for brown sugar, again the brand Dharma Pure works perfectly, and you just have to basically see in the packing that it's a super fine refined sugar. That's all that matters in brown sugar. Trust me, any brand works. Just see the accessibility and the quality that you're getting. Now coming to sugars, we've talked a lot about sugars, but some people really prefer the desserts to be sugar free. So for that, another alternative comes in shakkar, so which is also known as jaggery powder. I use the same brand Dharma Pure. It works perfectly for shakkar and really enhances the taste and smell of the dessert. Now coming forward to flours, so basically the one ingredient that you need to have in your kitchen at all times is an all-purpose flour or maida. So the brand that I prefer using is Ahar, and honestly you can use any brand that is easily accessible to you. Moving forward to baking powder and baking soda, honestly the brand does not matter. Availability is the key. You should go for the brand that is easily accessible to you. I prefer to go for Rex and Top. For food coloring, which is really important, you need to go for the right food colors, and always avoid liquid colors. Always go for gel colors. Sprig is the brand that I use for mostly all of my gel colors, and it has amazing variety of colors that you would be shocked to see. For food essence, honestly the brand called Fab is amazing. They have amazing collection of food essence ranging from gulab jamun to even rum. So I would really like you to go and check out. Moving forward to less used ingredients or miscellaneous ingredients. So oil, honestly any brand works. Just try avoiding one with strong smell and taste. And for vinegar, I would like you to go for the brand called Tops. It works amazing, and you don't need to go anywhere else. Now if you want to add flavoring to your desserts, you can go for berries from Delish and Just Berry. They have an amazing variety and amazing quality in blackberries, raspberries and many more. You can easily find them at Modern Bazaar or Food Hall. They're a little expensive but totally worth it. Another website to check for berries is Frugivore. It is an amazing website with amazing quality berries, and it even delivers in Delhi and NCR regions. So you should definitely go and check it out. Honestly, all these brands, I am honestly not doing any kind of promotions, but these are the brands that I personally use and have been using over these years without any complaint, and totally recommend you to use them. So that's it for ingredients. I hope I was able to answer all your queries and concerns regarding this. And all of these brands you can use throughout the class, and you will have no complaints using them. So let's see you on the other side.